Hi guys, let me show you this project, how they did the exterior sheathing. Here you can see the OSP 4x8. You can see here the first two row they did like offset half, and then second row they did like vertical, and then they return back to half. You know, that's here you can see same thing. It's same. There's no big difference, you know, you can do horizontal or vertical, but anyway, just make it work. And here you can see how they did good finishing, like around window, around doors here, around opening. Okay, today they are working to do roofing at the top. The TPO system, you can see roofing at the top. They finished grading around the building. You can see catch basin over there, 7 stone, HDPE pipe, same thing, catch basin over there. They covered with piece of OSB, and the dumpster at the back. Okay, inside they finished. Here we can see slab work and metal studded framing over there, small pieces. And you can see header above door opening, support, wood studded framing and dashboard. Okay guys, so everything here is good. That's the entrance, and here you can see the trench. You can see they will use it. Okay, different, big size, small size, different sizes. Here you can see catch basin, iron, silt fence, and that would be like this building for a new restaurant. Okay guys, they did great work, good work, everything looks good. Okay guys, if you like this video, please like, subscribe. We'll upload more videos about construction work. Okay guys, thank you, bye.